The firewood processor is not just a tool, but also a reliable partner for renewable energy. Producers and the wood industry, they continue to explore with us these extremely impressive firewood processing machines. Don't forget to like, share, and follow the channel to support us. And now, let's get started. Watching the Loken firewood line in action. They work in harmony, from the stage of bringing in wood to the final product, firewood. This made me unable to take my eyes off. Hoggy Puck 55's wood splitting screen is beautiful. The multi-directional saw blade allows cutting large logs, up to 92 centimeters in diameter. Horizontal FAO, horizontal sectioning machine with capacity of 80 tons. Capable of dividing wood into 16, 20, or 28 pieces. You can easily cut logs up to 1.35 meters in length and 80 centimeters in diameter. The Cyclone 130 wood chipper is capable of chopping wood, trees up to 10 centimeters in diameter, into small pieces for heating. This is a semi-automatic circular saw blade, firewood saw designed in the UK, with unique features to produce high-quality firewood. Logs up to 15 small. 6 long can be processed with minimal twists. This homemade firewood processing machine, with human assistance, can cut small and medium-sized trees into small firewood logs. The screw spindle is designed to twist and press wood through a series of blades or grooves on the shaft surface.
Good.
Creating small uniform pieces of wood. Kaiser 14 to 860 is a professional wood chipper with the ability to turn wood into firewood with high efficiency with outstanding features, such as powerful motor and quality cutting blades. It is an ideal tool for wood processing in industry and agriculture. It's great to see a firewood processing machine operating powerfully and efficiently, meeting all production requirements. Are you satisfied with the machines we introduce? Don't forget to like, share, and follow the channel to support us. See you in the next video. In Finland, the cold weather requires a huge amount of firewood. For heating, Piltmaster Super is an automatic firewood handler with cutting blades. That solves that problem. All you have to do is place the end of the log on the feed rollers and let the machine do the rest. In equipment to cut, split and transport firewood directly onto your trailer. In Norway, the Ramic firewood processor is an extremely popular device. With a separate 3-jaw design, easy to change splitter head and splitter, it provides high performance in firewood handling work. Hockey Poke 38 Pro's easy controls and advanced cutting system make it a top choice among manufacturers. This machine can split even the hardest wood into high-quality firewood with a splitting cycle of only 3 seconds. The 12-way saw blade can flexibly handle logs with a diameter of 32 to 50 centimeters. It's amazing that Easter made the largest firewood processing wedge ever. Can process up to over 2 tons of wood per hour. Locut MCS40 wood processing machine can cut in parallel with 3 high-capacity circular saws. It can cut logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter, easily changing length in 30 seconds. With a 30 kW electric motor, the machine is capable of processing more than 25 cubic meters per hour. From the same company, the Naba 60 is a powerful firewood splitter, specifically designed for large logs and requires a lot of power. The blade cuts into 24 sections, designed to effectively utilize the separation force. The Petzolato LA13 firewood processor is a high production equipment for processing large logs and bundles. With a diverse cutting wedge design, the Petzolato TLA13 can cut logs of different diameters, up to 510 meters. I think you'll love this transfer 350XLX.